Hi, and welcome to week 3. Today, I wanted to tell you a little bit about these videos that you have in your course materials. So if you go to content, sorry, it takes a minute. Then we look at week 3. There are lecture videos down below here. So feel free to watch those in addition to the videos that your book provides so that you have some more information. Also, I don't know if you've seen this yet. If you look at the side, support from a successful Math 121 student, we can see week 3, there's some good resources available right here. Okay? So I hope that you check those out. Again, always let me know if you need help with anything. Email me or Anna for questions, and I will talk to you soon.